Any point to upgrade the bushings on the Mk8 GTI since they're basically brand new? Factory sway bars are adequate or upgrade too? No, I mean, most of our upgrade parts are for brand new cars. We do sell products that, you know, are replacements, kind of more maintenance items, but that's pretty rare. Most of um, most of our products are assuming that you have perfectly functioning OEM parts. So yeah, anything that you can upgrade on the GTI, our products are worth doing on a new car. And the factory sway bars are not adequate for optimal performance. So I strongly recommend looking at our sway bars and springs. Sway bars, springs, strut mounts, and like any applicable inserts are going to transform a brand new factory car. Because the issue isn't the age or the kind of breaking down or degradation of the factory parts. The issue is that the fact from the factory, the car is designed for the lowest common denominator. It's dumbed down quite a bit, and so we're able to take some of that out and give you the performance back that the factory takes out because they're afraid not everybody wants that kind of performance. Rear spherical trailing arms are a great idea for handling and stability. The factory trailing arm bushings are really slumpy, so I definitely recommend that. And then we have so much stuff. We have our RCO lower control arms are going to give you better alignment specs, better front grip.